did my first bioenergy massage and it was amazing. I enjoy it. Thank you so much, Natalia. Today, Alicia again, and I just want to share my experience of my first massage with the bioenergy massage. And I must say, I enjoy doing it. I enjoy even having experience of, doing the massage. For me, it was so soothing. It had benefits to me as well as the client. And I just want to share my experience, and I really did enjoy doing it. Good morning, guys. I just had my massage and for the first time, and I see why it is that you have to lay down for a little while after the session, because when you get back up, it feels like you're floating on air. It's really relaxing.
Did you like it?
I loved it.
Good. Thank you.
Pleasant good morning to all. Again, this is me, Nadia. I'm here to tell you about my experience with the bioenergy medicine and massage. First, I was given the 10X technique because I had studied it. Yesterday, I finally experienced it as a client. Let me tell you what my experience was. First, it was very pleasant. It was very relaxing. I felt like I was on cloud 9. It gave me a tingling sensation in my body because it's a whole system. I put the moisturizing cream on my skin. It made my skin feel smoother and my skin was very soft. Then it was energizing balsam. It gave me a heating sensation in my body. And then it was a whole system with the cordyceps. I put it in my mouth and it boosts the energy. After the whole session, I normally used to feel tired in the evening time. But after I finished the whole system, my energy level boosted. I was going like the Energizer Bunny all day until now. So friends, family, I ensure you to try the system. And now I am able to assist you with the system. So see you soon. Pleasant good afternoon to all. My name is Nadia and I am a wellness practitioner. Okay? I'm here to offer you a special deal of $200. First, it's a consultation with the specialist for $50. You have already seen my video, and it's a 30 minutes health test with the bioenergy massage. Okay? Those two both I have to do on you to make sure. Dealing with the human body, it was not difficult at all. You learn different techniques and you have to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. You have to get the points correctly. Okay? Now I would like to know how many of you that I can help. It's very good. It's good for the body, it's good for the mind, and it's good for the soul. And I love to help people. So, see you soon. Okay, guys, let me share with you one more service that we offer. After having session for myself, we had a training that we call Wellness Mobile Service. Do you see the $200 coupon that I was talking about in my previous video? We offer 3 services. Okay, so yesterday we had practiced to deliver that service to a private home. I felt so comfortable and knowledgeable because I know what I was going to do. The client was concerned if it was painful or unpleasant. But after the service, she was satisfied. But at the end of the session, she expressed that she was very pleased. And as a result, she also booked another session. And she also bought more products because she was running out of the products. Now I felt myself in the right place as a wellness practitioner.
Good morning, my friends, members of the Bahamas Wellness Association. Today it's Friday, 25th of March, and I'm doing the summary of the week of our Bioenergy Medicine Academy training course. You saw our wonderful students, Alicia and Nadia, who have achieved quite fast, good skills as a result of their training. Of course, in 1 month, it's impossible to become a wellness master, but to practice on a daily basis, gaining your personal health improvement and serving to your family members, relatives, and friends, that skills and qualification will be built up. And as a summary today, I would like to say following. We understand that our naturopathic therapy system, presented by 9 main products, which are bioenergy immune modulators. They are state of art because each product was designed with the use of the 5-element system, which describe and apply the energy flow. We call it vital energy. And that's why our system, SHEN Health Care System, is a life nourishment system. The naturopathic therapy is one method of treatment by consuming the herbal medicinal substance, natural, and they work fast as a medicine, but they do not give side effect, and we recognize them by the name remedies. In your curriculum, when you study and practice, you have SHEN Health Care System brochure, which describe all these products and their content, what they made of, and what they good for. Definitely you will not memorize all that information because we own, as a Bahamas Wellness Corporation, the Institute of Science of the Traditional Chinese Medicine, and there are over 100 experts that have created for us these remedies. So don't hesitate and don't worry about that if you cannot remember everything, because this is so much work behind this remedies composition. But what you have to understand, they are different from the just vitamins and the supplements, because in our system of these products, their main key is your vital energy that builds up in accordance of your body potence. So mainly to say, the remedies boost your immune system and your natural function as a self-purification and self-healing. So this is the bracket or area of the food should be your medicine, and the medicine should be your food. And the remedies is a part of the food grade natural remedies supply. Okay? Now we use as well bioenergy therapy. in the form of the bioenergy massage, meridian therapy, which includes diagnostic, because as our remedies as well as a method of bioenergy massage, we call it in the Bahamas 10x, because it's 10 times more effective. So they are self-diagnostics, and by practicing with us, you're going to learn how to read the body symptoms to understand the diagnostics. There are a number of the diagnostics by observing the skin surface colors of the skin and so on. When you attain the practice, you will be able to do the diagnostics by the observation of face, skin, eye, tongue, color of the tongue, and so on daily. And you would know what organs and system are dysfunctional. Based on the diagnostics and self-purification and healing, we have created for the Bahamas a special type of service we call $200 coupon. It's a great deal. If you go to see any physician, or if you go to pass any medical test, it will be twice or 3 times more expensive, and you will just get the results, but you will not get the solution. In our $200 coupon, there is 3 appointments, which is include the diagnostics and treatment, and it's all together $200 coupon that based exactly on that training that 2 girls in our academy have been practiced for this month of March. So it is a naturopathic therapy together with the bioenergy therapy, together synergizing, give that natural body booster that the immune system of each individual person would be that a child, would be that mature person, athlete, or chronically ill person. It does not really matter. The matter is how to combine these products with the physiotherapeutical treatments to bring the healing power, restoration power of the natural potency of your body, that the body and the mind and the spirit will restore. So we give solution with our life nourishment system to anyone with any kind of health failure, including cancer up to the 4th stage, because at that point yet body can make turn back and recover. When it's too much damage already occurred and the organs are deformed and cannot anymore function and restore, then yes, it is a little bit too late. On the top of the physiotherapy, which is bioenergy massage or 10x, including the complete session of the meridian therapy, which is 1 hour plus. So this physiotherapy methods includes more of the advanced quantum technology for physiotherapeutic treatments. Not only bioenergy massage, but we offer you all 5 different physiotherapeutical treatments in the form of the Farada therapeutical thermal belts, which bring mineral therapy, thermal therapy, physiotherapy, magnetotherapy at once in a particular area of your body, which recognize as acupuncture points or meridians, and at very comfortable, but what I try to say, this another tool in addition to remedy, in addition of the bioenergy device, and one more product as a physiotherapeutical treatments we're going to launch by the end of month of April. Many of you already saw a brief video in English about quantum spa capsule, which is another greatest innovation that we offer to our specialists and our clients around the globe. In our global wellness network, participating 88 countries, residents in the form of the specialists and clients. So this new innovative quantum spa capsule will allow to all of our wellness practitioners and specialists to treat themselves on their own, because in that case, really, all what you have to do is just get into that capsule with the remote control, use all the range of the massage type of service and methods, and the client just enjoying restful half an hour or 1 hour treatments on their own inside of that wonderful new product. So looking forward to have more of your attention and interest to join Bahamas Wellness Association and use the opportunity to practice, learn, and become wellness master for prosper and healthy life. And at the end, I just would like to show our one last brochure. By being trained and certified with us, we capable to do the job offer. It's employment opportunity, but not to be a housekeeper or cook out. We inviting serious and devoted to the better life individuals who would like to learn, practice, and be certified as a qualified wellness master. The Bahamas should be and has a capacity to be the leading country in the eco and wellness tourism industry. We need more of the specialists to help not only to our own family member and friends, but also we can help the tourists who visit the Bahamas and would like to enjoy this wonderful natural ambience, combining together with the healthy lifestyle and all therapeutical treatments that we teach you. And we would like you to be self-sufficient, high-qualified wellness master for your own country, the Bahamas. Looking forward to have you here with us on the board with the Bahamas Wellness Association.